quite ready yet still, but it's soon ready. So now I wanna get the mesh.
I might go too fast.
Yeah. Give a couple minutes. The pool's supposed to
I
be
don't
ready.
care about
Put down the
those
fish them and then
limits.
and my sweet potatoes.
'Cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before.
Normal, right?
I might go too fast.
Yes, peeps, I'll earn and get a fish there.
Suddenly
What if you think so I go
I feel
online?
so rich. No, I don't know.
You see it up one of the earning. I think I threw up in there.
I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything I'm living, thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't.
So yes, fam, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy All Fire 777. It's a Sunday afternoon, you know, it's Sunday. It's really a sunny day. Yeah, so you don't know my style already. Not the regular dinner on Sunday. So I'm gonna roast some fish cause Owen and yeah, another friend might come for some. So I'm take out 7 fish to make a roast them. You know, 7 are my number already. Yeah. So guess where I'm at? I'm under my favorite tree. If you watch the channel, you know. And if you don't know, now you know. So I'm under my favorite tree. Nature is best. Living natural is best. Natural living. And it doesn't cost. It's not expensive to live natural, people. It is very affordable. You eat what is around you. Just like the goat and the fowl them and the birds them. You live like the animals. Yeah, they eat and survive and what is around them and they live healthy. We can do the same thing as human beings. Our ancestors used to do the same thing, but now we make life so complicated. But life is not that complicated, people. So anyhow, I'm outside. I'll pick some moringa leaf rather. Yeah, so I can, make my ingredients. So stick and stay. Watch what I go on, peeps. Yeah. I make this not too tall because when I do it too tall, the breeze can blow it down. And yeah, I order something. I have a mic adapter here that kind of damaged, but I order one. I'll get it till next 2 weeks from Amazon, so I have to make sure, take it right. Otherwise, I can't use the mic. Take it out of the sun too. So yeah, peeps, stick and stay. Right about now, I'm gonna pick some meringue. Yeah. So meringue, as instead of meringue tree, I get big and old. It'll grow real tall. So you might see papa off this and things say I waste my waste, but no, it's not waste, peeps. Cause even this, I could just pick off the leaf off of this and stick back this in the ground and it grow. It is like that. Trust me, it's a different kind of tree. Completely different. I've never seen anything like it. Completely different, peeps. So I'm just pick off the limb them off of it. So, because I'm gonna use the leaves, even the one in the blossom, use everything, peeps. This tree is different. Everything on this tree, peeps can use. Every single thing. The leaf, the stem, the bark, everything on it you can use. Boiled tea, whatever you want to do. Everything on it is healthy to use. Every single thing is healthy to use. It is very healthy. It's a superfood, peeps. I said superfood, I mean superfood. So I try and get some more. Yeah, yeah. So I pick some more of the younger leaf them. Yeah. Cause the younger leaf them easier for steam out. Yeah, bigger leaf then grow out too much. So I think this is enough. This is enough. This gotta be enough. So this is like my vegetable, my go-to vegetable. Vegetable that I love unconditionally. Yes. Energy, high in protein, vitamin, calcium, mineral, and iron. It is very good, peeps. So anyhow, yes, it's very good, peeps. So anyhow, stick and stay. Now cut out them here. Don't go now. So yes, peeps, just about to get the season ready. Yeah, getting the season ready right here. So I got my okra and some onion and carrot, pumpkin, tomato, and what else may I have? And okra and my meringue. So normally when I roasting fish, you don't put tomato in it and sweet pepper and stuff like that. But guess what now? For me, that is not a law. I cook the way that I want to cook, because not because people say that shouldn't go in that. Reason why I'm not going to put in it. I'm going to put in it because I'm doing it for myself. And actually making a difference using different stuff that people don't use is actually creating your own menu, and creating your own recipe, put it that way then. Yeah, so here actually I'm voicing over here because today is Sunday and more people was in the kitchen at the time, and them making noise and stuff like that. Some of them in the background, not really seeing them, but some behind me. I realize I'm using a table inside of the kitchen counter, So just doing it fast because I'm going outside to roast the fish, So that's my regular Sunday dinner. No rice and peas, no dumpling or anything like that. Just my roast fish because I love my roast fish so much. I love my roast fish, So yeah. Yeah, and here I go. Season up the fish first. There's about 7 fish, so I cut up my season fast and thing. So just stick and stay, peeps, and watch the video to the end. And remember to watch your ads them. And if you don't subscribe yet, what are you waiting on? Subscribe. Support the movement, support the channel. You get me? And say we are going far. We're going to 100,000 first. And then we'll go to 1 million. Yeah, it might sound crazy now, but yeah. As I say, I love what I do and do what I love and do it to the best of your ability. Yes, and if you're doing something that you don't love, it don't make any sense. So yes, once I season up me fish, quick and fast, and then you see me stuff it and made it outside to deal with it, peeps. So as I say, just watch the video. Yes. So here actually I'm grating the carrot. I grated the carrot because if I cut it up, roasting the fish, it takes more time to steam. So I grated the carrot, grated the pumpkin. Yes, so you steam quicker that way. Because you could pre-steam it still, pre-cook it on the stove, but I didn't bother with that either. Tell the truth, it's a good thing that I decided to roast fish because, peeps, just as Ernell was there cooking, the gas finished. But Ernell kind of finished cooking still. Someone else was about to cook and the gas finished, so it's a good thing I decided to roast my fish. Or else, I would have to go outside because, it's Sunday. I know now getting a gas on Sunday. I have to wait on Monday. So, next question I want to ask you is why is it in the Caribbean the gas always finish on Sunday? Why is it the gas always finish on Sunday? I don't know. But peeps, yeah. So I'm there, so season my fish almost done now and thing and get it ready to stuff and go outside. Because, it will be more convenient to season it inside. So next time I'm gonna go outside and season it so you can have a more clear view. So stick and stay, don't go nowhere. Cook cucumber. With the okra, some local okra. Yeah. Some more fish, some more vegetable. Prepare more vegetable because I'm more fish. It's time.
I've been thinking about you.
peeps. Get my mixture together. So, clean up my answer now. And then we start stuff the fish then. So stick and stick. Yes, peeps. Time to wrap the fish then now. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do, peeps. File the fish then now. A good amount of them, about 7 of them. So I deal with it quick and fast. Do it before me even catch a fire. Get the core. Alright, fish then small. So yeah. Fish then small, so easier to deal with. They put a little bit inside of it, peeps, not too much. And then some on the foil paper. Yeah. The fish then now is seasoned up because a lot of season already in the season. Yeah. And then I do it like this. Turn it side here. Yeah, and do it like that. So if you want now, you have yours open. You can throw some in it. Yeah. So actually, I'm not going to close off here so yet. Season with the left. Yeah. So yes, and stay. I can deal with it quick and fast. Yes. Yeah. Quick and fast. As I say, everything in it, peeps. So it's a whole meal by itself. Isn't it? On your tear. If I put piece my water on it, because I want to tear. Spoon tear. The spoon already torn this. Yes. Yeah, see there? Tear that's the piece. So I'm definitely going to use one of that piece of file for now on here. So that's two, that's all. Yes, Mr. Brown. Yeah. So I deal with it quick and fast because the fly them. The fly you love fish. These Cayman flies, they love fish. And the fly them are Cayman and no peeps. They're not imported flies, they're born and bred in Cayman. See that, peeps? That is it. Now you do like that. Yeah. So if you don't know how to do it, now you know. What I'm do it is I think I use too much file because look on the file and I say the file actually I use too much the other day, so stop use so much. So that's 3, 4 more to go. 7 fish to be exact. 7. Look like now just enough amount of season. Just the amount that I needed. Not too much. The exact right amount, please. Ernell a pass piece for him can look more Ernell to learn, you know, piece. I say more Ernell to learn, you know, but Ernell a pass. You know, Ernell a big chef still. Yeah. Touch your money might cost you. Yes, yes. That is it, yes. Quick and fast.
Wait. Rock bad like. Rock bad like.
Peeps.
I'm bad mind. Your bad mind like.
Alright, let me fold up the one here because of the two leaves. Yeah, so I think I have enough. Just leave for two. Yeah. Yes, peeps. So you see, moringa and everything in it. So use the moringa coming on a pot show or nothing like that. So and the moringa is even more healthier to use. Yeah. If you need a background and earn it on it nice, yeah. You know earn it in the background on it nice, peeps. I know kitchen and Ernell favorite place. Yeah, Ernell kitchen and Ernell favorite place, you know. So in life, ladies, you have to get yourself a Jamaican man. You're gonna stress you about cooking, so we can do it ourselves. We love to do it. Yeah, if you can't cook good. Yeah, she can't give no bad belly food neither, because you know what is good food. Yeah, as long as you love them, you teach them. Yeah, yeah. You hear that, peeps? Yeah. So we love to teach. You hear that, ladies? The dainty babies. So apparently, peeps, nothing left over. It's just the right amount. Nothing left over. Alright, you know, Ronel? It's just a lemonade. Caribbean style. No, sir. When I do that and beat me. So, alright, peeps. So, yeah. The fish, they're ready. They're ready for your fire. There's a fire to come now, peeps. So, yeah, we're going now. Even though I have a fire, I still have to go blaze of a fire. And as I say, the fish did tear. Oh, this one did tear right here. So I have to wrap it properly again. And you know, the last one I get trouble though. For some reason, it continue to tear. And now I put the fire now and waste of time with it. Alright. So wrap up them here. Put them here. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put them in this dish and wash it out and cover it up from the flies. I tell you no lie. Small fish with that piece. Oh, that's nice.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits. 'Cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast.
4, 5, 6, and 7. I think I might just put it in the oven instead. Because if I put it nowhere else, it get fly. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere.
No, I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you.
Yes, peeps, get the fire ready. Yeah, smoke a blow all over. Smoke up me here. Yeah, fire ready now. Not quite ready yet still, but yeah, soon ready. So now I'm gonna get the mesh put over it now. So yeah, give a couple minutes. The coal's supposed to be ready. to put on the fish and I go roast two sweet potato with it too. Yeah. So yes, peeps, if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And this is how we do it in the Caribbean. Yeah. Yeah, just show you how I look after my dinner on a Sunday. So Ernell over there, so Ernell eat feed dinner already and relax. Yeah, yeah. Ernell dinner done. So me look about my one now. Yeah. See if you see. Fire you up. I know time. Fight cooler supposed to catch. Yeah. I'm sure I have enough coal tonight to do 7 fish. So I don't think all of them can hold on it. I never scatter out the coal still. Yeah, me I scatter it out. So I'm even add more coal to it, so I have enough. So wash up them plate then I sink. Clean up at the sink and by the time I come back out, yeah, everything's supposed to ready. So stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. That is it. So yes peeps, let's check out the fire. We're going to be fire now. Yeah. Let's see what you see it? Yeah. Eh? I know you go on now. I know you go on the best thing for roast, man. Healthy, man. Yeah, man, you go on the best thing, man. Cha cha. Oh, yeah, now catch up with it earlier. Yeah, man. Yeah. Eh, shot. I'm gonna buy some my Jamaican one, them, man. I like them cola, man. Got a time I go now, I'm sure done already. I catch now. Yes, peeps, so. The fire can get trouble to them people, you know why. Normally the breeze a blow hard, it catch up already, it blaze like crazy. But I don't know why, peeps. Yeah. Let me just throw some more coal on top of this. Because I want it to kick like Van Damme, peeps. I want it to kick like Van Damme. Yeah. So I just throw some more on it. And then I go for the grill. Put on it. Yeah. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Yes, peeps, get the griller now. The grill on it. You see grill now? Yeah. Wow. Oh man. Tough so. Let's see how much this can hold now, peeps. What you think this can hold? How much this can hold right now? This can hold 1.7. Can hold so much? Hmm? Oh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So let's spread it out. Not drop off if so that may I do. Ugh. So hopefully it's alright now, peeps. Stick on. So yes, peeps, come back with my fish now. And the fish dish as you can see. Yeah. Put on the fish then now. Yeah. So let's see how I put all of them on it now. And see how it go. Ernest, all of them can hold. Let's see how it go. Yeah. To all of them that peeps. So that's 7 fish. Yes. 7 fish peeps. Ready to roast. And over here, so I have about 3 potatoes. I think I go roast them. But I think I'm gonna cut them up a bit. So stick and stay. So yes, peeps, get my knife now. So what I'm going to do is cut it. Let's chop them a little bit so fire get to soak right through it, because you know them here not so easy for roast. So should I put them on already? But let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, peeps. So that's one. And then fish here not supposed to take that long for roast either, because they're smaller. So the other day I roast about 3 fish. And then we have people pass by, and then when I give them one, they finish. So I didn't have no second. I'm done quick. So this time I decided that I'm gonna roast more. Yeah. So potato them ready. Nice deep, so that is it. So check it out. 7 fish, 3 potato. Yeah. So me say if this can share for multitude. If Jesus share 5 fish and 2 bread, and this must can share. Yeah, ready. That is it. The stick and stay peeps don't go nowhere. You see. Yes, peeps, so I look on the fish now and so I'll go and get him first turn, because I want everything to roast evenly. And then here I end, put it up my middle here, so. Yeah, look like it's going with itself, peeps. But then I'll take that long. Yeah, eat everywhere, man. Eat everywhere, same time I can turn the potato them. The potato look like I shouldn't, but I put them beef like they're not roast, you know. Like a fish I go roast long before them. Potato no roast early, easy, Ernell. Potato no roast easy, not true? Eh. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're not even born up. Mm. So yes, peace, that's it. That. Figure that? Yeah. So right about now, I go fly out to Joan and show them how I go on in the town. Stick and stay.
We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Yes, peeps, giving the fish a turn. Giving the fish them some turn before them burn. Trust me, peeps, the fire red today. And if I should, because I put more coal in it, but it's red. Early. Potato them I might not roast. Look like they might roast. The fire really a kick still. Yeah. For you really kick peeps. So you know peeps, stick and stay. So yes peeps, look like we might have some early fish today. Because the fish them is fishing. Yeah. They're fishing today. Yes. Peeps are the first me do a fire like this. And put so much coal in it. But it's kicking like fandom. It's not easy. Ugh. Yeah, so I give it a couple more minutes and then I try one of them. You choose me know them. Majority of them, supposed to almost ready by now. So yes, and here I have my dongo fall them. Here we have dongo fall peeps. They're nice. Roosters, big roosters. So peeps, if it's the first time tuning into your channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Get me so peeps? And no place like the Caribbean. The Caribbean. No place like the Caribbean. I love the Caribbean. Look on it. Fresh here, not polluted, and all of that. Get me so peeps? Backyard with lake. Get me so peeps? Look at my backyard. This is my backyard. This is my backyard here in the Caribbean. Show me your backyard, what your backyard looks like. Look, peeps. This is a lake. Look at that. I only need a jet ski. And so I have some neighbors over there. So my neighbors them, iguana and turtle. They have turtles and iguanas. The turtles are to my left and iguana climbing the tree. Yes, peeps. Peeps, look at the water. All I need is a jet ski. So the water here make the place extremely cool. Make all of here cool. Yeah. No matter how the time hot, place cool. It's at the coconut tree. Lots of young coconut. All in the Caribbean peeps. What else? You people wherever you are in the world you have to buy a coconut in bottles that have preservative and additive. But me know here in the Caribbean, I'm not buying a coconut in a bottle because coconut can stay even from fridge for no more than 3 days unless you freeze it. It will spoil. So, you know? So that to say, if it's not natural, you don't want it. Yeah, and this, look at this. This is my dinner today. This is my dinner. And this is just normal. I'm not doing this for the video. This is my dinner. It's not like me prepare a meal and say, oh, I'm going to do a video, so I'm going to like, no. This is just natural, my dinner. Yeah, my peeps. This is my dinner. Look at that. You know? We shouldn't could have something like this. Don't. Tell you what now. All the thing missing, I go for one and Corona. And sip on Corona with me, with my fish. Them are a smaller fish, so I might can eat two. Yeah, but Owen supposed to bring somebody else come. So Owen supposed to soon forward. Owen always come on the food. I don't eat and the video done. So I never get to show him when I'm eating fish and when he say about the fish. You know, I can't only tell you when he say about the fish. Which is, you know, that shouldn't be the case. You should hear from female mouth what the fish tastes like. Not true. Not just what me say it tastes like, but what him say it tastes like. Yeah. Him and guns. So who calling me now? Yo! Yeah. Fish ready, man. What do you? Eh? You did nice. You did nice sun too much in the youth. Yeah. So okay, I work nice in the daytime and night end up on the road. I thought you know young boy, you know. Yeah, man. You have to eat like me. No, really say, I show you how to eat, yeah? Yeah. And then all for box food, the brother now work out. You get me, I say? You work hard. Yeah, man, I not ask. I tell you. No, for yeah, you figure say you eat, but nothing better than a home cooked meal, brother. Nothing is better than a home cooked meal. If you not cook at your yard, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Because yeah. Yeah man, you need brother. I mean I tell you, most of all, you know fool around Moringa and anything about me I tell you say brother. For years now. No man, you need to start back my youth. Everywhere you're going to come and I can get it. You have to capitalize on that. Yeah. Brother, I'm not take vitamin, you know. Yeah, you can't even eat the leaf. You can eat all the leaf you can manage the seed. All the leaf you can eat. But the leaf tastes like seed same way. But everywhere you go, you see tree, moringa leaf, moringa tree. I mean, I come on my yard. There's one big tree on my yard. I said, yeah man, when guns come, me give him some. Yeah man, then for forward. Alright, cool. You see it there, peeps? See what I tell them? Eat up the moringa. You must say no feel good. You know, him body no feel so right. Nah get enough rest and then eat properly. So I tell you, if you capitalize on merengue, people might hear me talk about merengue and things say a joke thing. No joke thing, peeps. The time you take to buy them pills the way you get them pharmaceutical companies them, it's just a business. Cause if you take when you take the pill them, I mean, your ear, if you have, it will give you a heart problem or damage your kidney or some crap. Then why would I want to take something? I'm going to take it for a headache. And in taking it for my headache, it might affect my heart or my kidney. Why would I want to do that? No, that's crazy. Trust me. Our ancestors used to take herbs. I'm not get me wrong, you know. Some of them will good, you know, but trust me, we believe in them too much. You can't believe in them too much. Believe in your herbs. Natural herbs. It's believe in your natural herbs. That is what our ancestors used to use, and used to live longer and have less complications. Yeah, less complications. Look, nowadays, people is not live that long because they must say they must provide the food faster to feed the population and all that food. Food is not something that you provide fast. Food is something that you look after slowly with love. If no love no in it no make no sense. This is the reason why I can cook food without him taste it. Because I understand. And when you eat from nature, your nature become one with you become one with nature. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. When you come out here and you respect the fowl them and the tree them and everything, yes, there is a God and God create everything, but you have to have respect for nature to the chicken them. You know, just take big soul and let them down. You have to respect them, look on them, admire them. You get me? I say, look at their way of life. So then live, they don't work, but they eat every day. That don't mean so then lazy, you know. It is just natural for them not to work because they are birds. So don't get me wrong now. If you're not working, you don't eat neither. Or you're not cripple. But I'm just saying, you know, them eat from nature and whatever them eat, they can eat too. The bush, everything, they can eat. So anyway, people, stick and stay. Yeah, but fish then soon ready now. So let me see what time now. So it's like 5:05. I didn't even check what time because normally if I tell you how long I put one fish for to roast, how much minutes, I can't tell you because I don't normally time it. I just feel say now, okay, it must be ready now. And normally it's ready. It just when you're cooking, you get that's why I'm telling you, you have to connect with nature. You see when you're cooking it, you know cook half a time and say, oh, this take a hour, this take half an hour. Just naturally know that it's finished. It does come in natural. Everything does natural. When you are into natural, everything is supernaturally natural. Yeah, that is it. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Yeah, but naturally, every time I go start record, peeps, somebody will call me. Can you believe that? Hello. Hello? Yeah, I'm here. I'm here roasting some fish. Every time I go start record, somebody ring your phone. Give me a couple minutes. You good? Mm-hmm. So yes, peeps, definitely. I know the fish are finished now. So I'm gonna go for a plate. Yeah. Yeah, they already know. They already know, peeps. They already know. Cheese and peace. Any peeps, stick and stay. Yes, peeps. So fish ready and now. This fish is ready, peeps. Ready, 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 ready. So let me take them off and make them bud up no more. Oh, Lord. Ugh. So let me see which one I'm going to mash up. Which one I'm going to mash up? And that may I say, everything I burn up. Yeah. Yeah, they're ready, man. Yeah. Gotcha. Cold, I eat that cold, but boy, it's a kick now. Cold, like a kick like Van Damme, boy. You see it? Gotcha. Ooh, ow, shit. Yeah, man. That kick, man. I forgot for some water so I can peel and potato. Yeah. Otherwise, the potato now I can peel. Stick and stay. Start the back. So yes, please, if I get some water, you chew up on them potato here ready and hot. Otherwise, can't peel. Eh? Yeah. So, I'm follow Ernell. Ernell a big chef, you know? So Ernell know it thing. Ernell know the thing to peeps. So I'm gonna try peel on one of them. But before I do that, I'm out the fish. I'm gonna see what I go on in the fish. So I go on in the fish dish. Yeah. You know the fish already. Yo, them fly are some of my worst fly them ever see. It came on and fly them. Yo, then determine your fun. You deal with the hot food and them come see me. Yo. Mosquito them the same thing like they fly them. I didn't realize I'm not even carrying no fork. Yeah. Yeah. You want one, you can get one there now. You can get one if you want, you know. I know you know. Long time I eat a roast fish. Well, listen to them, I go for one fork. Can get one if you want, now, bro. Yeah. There's peep seat, yeah? Ready. Eh? No, man. How about no peeps? So I can peel a potato. So if it's a tape, I don't know, all the fire and rape. You know, out it. Right. So I can. Yeah, Steve's potato ready. Ready, ready, ready. Cha-cha. You know so what that happened to me? No, I'm up on the road and we're sun hot. I'm sitting on the back of the bus. I have a phone in my hand. And if I force the phone drop and the phone drop, I look see I have a screen protector. Yeah. So you buy that recently? Oh. But you don't have a screen protector on it? No man, you have to always put screen protector on your phone. Chicken tips. Yeah. Yeah man, must always put screen protector on your phone. Yeah. Yeah. So this is dinner. I'm missing a place like the Caribbean. No, these are them big foreign, you know? Yeah. Yes, peeps. Yes, peeps. See, I'll earn and get a fish there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, both the fish and so I go all night.
What?
You see it, I come out of the Ernell. I think a joking thing.
Yeah, man. Well ready.
Yeah, man, up near me, I not see night.
People look here. Well juicy, man. Hold on, man. Me taste it, because I think I joke.
Alright, so I eat that.
This a code.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I'm going to eat my fish now. So yeah, I'm there right now. This one. Eat yeah? That I eat. So,
How will you give me?
yeah, man.
Take it back.
Yeah, man, them fly are different, I tell you. Different. No matter if your food hot. You want to take it to your hand. Yeah, man. Yes, peeps. This is dinner with one Corona. It should have been a jelly, but jelly them already ate. So I have to beat a Corona. So this is us natural peeps. We live in the Caribbean. And my sweet potato. Now I'm gonna lime. Yeah, peeps. Is it your fish and smaller and roast quicker? Because I have some big one in my satchel. I get rid of the one and carry up. The one in the fridge before. Eh? No man, I'm my own fisherman man. When you catch fish, you can call me. Eh? Oh. You got when I put it there if you want to, but you can't bother peel it. You can't bother peel it. Oh. Those peeps.
How are you?
You chicken going on fire? Yo. I'm chicken a different. Yo, metal. If you don't know fire feel, no fire feel no. Chicken run on fire, peeps. Cold name bad today, though. Cold red today. Anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere.
Serious. Serious. Serious one. And if you want to be turned to
What me I say?
so the family them. Brother and sister them.
That's the one have to run.
That's why Lily.
So you're getting cross. I look like an hen, you know? Not look like a cock. Oh boy. Yes, peeps. Yes, in my life I came man. If I take a second, peeps. Let's see that one here. I miss somebody come too. So yes, peeps, I have to go for a second one. Yeah, that one is so nice. I couldn't eat just once, I have to eat twice. Yeah. I couldn't just eat once, I have to eat twice. Because this roast fish is too nice. So nice, peeps. So let me see. I'm gonna feed now. Ta-da! Yeah. Mm. Mm. Hot beef. It's the thing with liquor fish, no peeps have bone. I don't like liquor fish with bone. Too much bone. But this is extremely nice, peeps. Look at it. There. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. No, stick and stay. So yes, peeps. Plate empty. Again. Yeah. Plate empty, peeps. But it was delicious. Delicious. Uncle Donald, big up yourself. Sorry they have to give one of my roast fish. Yeah. No advertise the Corona still, but you know, our Jamaican beer not taste good again. So most time I drink Corona. So it's been a wonderful afternoon, peeps. Wonderful, wonderful afternoon. Full enjoying my dinner, you know, to the fullest. Yeah. I ate two fish. Normally I would eat one, but them here they little bit smaller, so I had to eat two. I may have 3 leaf on the fire. Not on the fire. They don't have fire, so but 3 leaf there. Somebody's supposed to come pick up two. Owen's supposed to send him friend come pick up two. So if Owen come pick up the two, then I mean then they're not going to waste. Yeah, but my tummy is full, peeps. And as I say, this is dinner. Natural Caribbean dinner. Better than this, you can't get nowhere else, peeps. Nowhere else. So it's like about after 6 now. Oh, to 6 now. 5:44. 60 minutes to 6. So I'm gonna get ready, get a bath. You know, Sunday Sunday, so I go live. I'm gonna get a bath and thing. And of course, I have to out the fire because not like Jamaica. Whenever you use fire here, you have to out it because the breeze a blow. You never can tell it. End up burning in place. So I was gonna say, it's been a wonderful evening, real wonderful, and I really full joy in my dinner. It's just good when you can cook and know what you do. Yeah, you see, it's been wonderful, wonderful, babes. Oh my God. All thing we need out here says that amok. If I have amok, I'll probably drop asleep out here. Yeah. So I'm gonna take apart fish leaf out here and thing. So as I say, peeps, anytime I come on Cayman, I will link up at Jamaica. I'll roast fish for you like this. Yeah. Nice, tasty, tasty fish that you will love. Couldn't be nicer. And as I say again, this is why I can't place enough emphasis on it. This is why I love the Caribbean. Real Caribbean. So the chicken them enjoy. Chicken them enjoy some of my fish. As I say, 3 fish up on the fire piece. 3? Yeah, 3 leaf and 1 potato. Yeah. Me eat one potato, Ernest eat one. Yeah. Sorry. The chicken in there I eat, I finish up the remains. Mash up fish head. Peeps. But it's nice, peeps. I finished work early today. I finished work about before 12 o'clock. Finish work. Yeah, and come home and get some sleep. And I feel like a better now. Because with this hot sun, trust me, when you work in the hot sun, you feel like you drink rum. Junk, peeps. So, yeah.
I've been thinking about you.
Fish just for roll up. So anyway, peeps, stickers, we're not end the video yet. Oh, yeah. So yes, peeps, we come to the ending of the video. You see Ernell in the background. Yeah, and we're there. Yeah, so we mash up the fish. And it's a good Sunday. So we come to the end of the video. So thank you for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. So, as I say, love yourself first in your life. And love one another. Do unto others as you want them to do unto you. So one fire, all the fire. Love what you do what you love. And do it to the best of your ability. So until next video, peace out.
Yeah, it feels so real.